Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your Cash App card with Afterpay. First, make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed. Open Cash App and tap the magnifying glass or discover icon at the top of the screen. From there, look for the Afterpay Shop hub. It shows stores that accept Afterpay with Cash App. Tap any listed store and you'll be redirected to shop and pay using Afterpay powered by Cash App. You can make 4 interest-free payments and use your Cash App balance at checkout. Alternatively, you can open the Afterpay app and use your Cash App card as the payment method. Just make sure your card is activated and has enough balance. And that's it. That's how to use your Cash App card with Afterpay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.